The last thing we need to talk about in this module is how to create your website structure on the server. This process is going to presume that you've used best practices in creating and setting up your website. You've got a structure that has folders and files, and it'll get more complex, obviously, as we go on and we learn more things. But even at this point, we would know how to create multiple pages and organize those into folders. So I just wanted to show you how to use your FTP client to upload that to the server, and it's really pretty straightforward. So here I am in CyberDuck and I've logged in. Now, when you are uploading your files, it depends on what level of access you have, whether you're putting a new site that's in the root or if you're actually putting a sort of sub-site within a larger domain. We would actually want to create a new folder here, and notice how if you just right click on this or get the contextual menu up on this, we can create a new folder. And sample pages was the name of the folder, of the root folder in this example that we've been using. So notice now that's on our root. And I'm going to go ahead and click on that to get into that folder. So now this is where I want to upload my content. So I've navigated to within the sample pages folder, right? We just created that on the root. And then I've just opened my Windows Explorer in a side-by-side view here. I'm going to select all the things that I want to go in, and I've got these several HTML pages, but then also this folder. So I just am clicking on that and then doing a shift click at the bottom of the list to grab everything that I want. And then I'm just dragging it over to the FTP client, and then it's going to go ahead and move all those files for me. I'm just confirming the password, and then we have our upload complete. I can close out this transfer window if I want to, and then you can see we've got the entire structure. Now notice when you click on here, it actually shows you the whole path, so you can kind of like go back into, back up the folder scale, right? So I could have also, just gone here and gone directly with my sample pages and dragged that right into my root. So again, that's what I mean when I say it just depends on your level of access. But what I really wanted you to notice is that I can do multiple pages in an entire structure very, very easily. Just bring up over here in your Windows Explorer window or your File Explorer window, just bring that up over here and just get yourself into the correct folder where you want things to land, and then just drag and drop. Notice too, like I said, it's not only doing all of these files, but it also uploaded this folder and the file that was inside of it. And if I had multiple files inside of it, it would have done all of those files too. So it's very, very easy using these FTP clients to move an entire structure, and you can do just a whole folder and it'll move all the stuff in there, or you can do like I did, a multiple select and then drag and drop in that way. So that's how you create a structure on your server using an FTP client.